There's a website that I follow. There's a YouTube channel, rather, that I follow. It's a guy who repairs computers. And he was talking about how Apple goes out of their way to make things so that they can't be repaired. From developing proprietary screws that other people don't have a screwdriver for, to literally having motherboards where you cannot replace a piece.
Yeah.
It's not possible. So if this piece goes bad, they have to replace the entire motherboard. And he's like, that is so irresponsible.
Yeah.
And he's like, the only reason why this exists is because people allow Apple to do it. He's like, any other company, whether it's IBM or Lenovo or fucking Dell, when you buy a laptop from them, there's all these parts. You could bring it into a place. They can replace this and replace that, and here's the chip, and here's the that, and it's easy. But with Apple, they make it so it's difficult
well, they
for
made it so it's only Apple.
Yeah, like third-party people can't
Right, they don't want
it.
anyone messing with it.
Fucking gross, man.
Yeah.
It's gross.